Imagine your body as a house. A beautiful house full of light, but whose foundations you have completely neglected. Imagine the pipes are clogged, the walls soaked with humidity, and the air inside becoming unbreathable. Little by little, the inhabitants of this house, your organs, begin to suffocate, weaken, and fall ill. That is exactly what happens to your body when you neglect the 4 essential pillars of health. Without them, no medicine, no diet, no prayer can keep your temple standing. But when these pillars are restored, life flows again, like pure spring water finally returning to its source. The first pillar is internal cleansing. Most illnesses begin in a polluted, congested intestine. Waste accumulates, gases ferment, the belly swells, and toxins slowly poison your blood. Why? Because of poor diet, stress, inactivity, and irregular elimination. The result is familiar: chronic fatigue, migraines, acne, constipation, bad breath, weakened immunity. But here is the solution: CostioWhey, a natural powder that works like a true internal broom. It cleanses the colon, releases toxins, and restores your body's self-healing capacity. Because you cannot build health on polluted ground. The second pillar is the purification of the blood and vital organs. Your liver, kidneys, lungs, heart, and lymphatic system. All are saturated with chemicals, pesticides, and medication residues. Constant exposure to toxins and heavy metals destroys you silently from within. The result? Fatigue, joint pain, dull skin, fatty liver, hormonal imbalance. But nature has provided a powerful purifier, Detox Health. Taken every night, it works while you sleep like a silent army, cleansing your body in depth. When you wake up, your body breathes again, your cells regenerate, and your energy naturally returns. The third pillar is acid-alkali imbalance. Acidity is the hidden root of almost all chronic diseases. Too much sugar, red meat, processed foods, combined with stress and pollution, create an acidic terrain that fuels inflammation and pain. Do you suffer from inflammation, hair loss, premature aging, low immunity, or repeated infections? The solution is Alka Plus, an alkalizing drink that restores your body's pH. It acts like a soothing rain that extinguishes the fire of acidity and protects your organs. Where balance reigns, disease cannot survive. The fourth pillar is defense and regeneration. Your immune system may be exhausted by stress and malnutrition. You fall sick easily, and your body no longer has the strength to defend itself. But ImmunoBoost is the guardian of your inner temple. Taken every morning on an empty stomach, it strengthens your defenses, awakens dormant cells, and revitalizes your whole body. It is the tireless soldier that watches over you while you live your daily life. And finally, the bonus pillar, the light of life. A clean and strong body without vitality is like a magnificent house without light. The lack of nutrients and antioxidants dims your inner glow. Here is sea buckthorn juice, the golden nectar of cellular youth. It is sea buckthorn juice enriched with nano-curcumin, incredibly rich in vitamins C and E, and in omegas 3, 6, 7, and 9. It is one of the most powerful antioxidants on earth. It illuminates and protects your cells, nourishes the blood, and revives your energy. It is the vital flame that activates the other pillars. To summarize, without these pillars, health slowly collapses, like a house without foundations. But with them, your body becomes a true fortress of light, where disease finds no place to stay. Remember this clearly: you cannot heal a body you have not cleaned first. You cannot purify blood unless its pH is balanced. And you cannot strengthen an immune system unless it is nourished properly. These 5 gems, CostioWhey, Detox Health, Alka Plus, ImmunoBoost, and sea buckthorn juice, are the invisible architects of your global health. They naturally cleanse and activate your body's self-healing mechanism. This concept has helped thousands of desperate people regain their health in just a few months. We will put a link in the description so you can watch testimonies from many chronic health cases. After all, no one eats a festive meal on a dirty plate. So if your body is your temple, it deserves the best care. Do not wait for illness to send you a warning. It is not death that hits the hardest, it is the slow way we allow life to fade inside us. Start your natural health protocol today with UP Global and restore to your body the glory it deserves. Thank you for watching and see you very soon.
Pour un monde meilleur, ensemble en chemin, des produits de santé, une lumière qui brille. Youpi Global, notre force, notre famille.